Okay, so hello everyone. Today we'll be solving the C++ STL sheet from our seniors website, and we'll be solving this range query sum problem E. So in this you would be given two numbers n and q, and for each queries you just need to print what is the summation from index L to index R. Okay. So for example, if we take this in from index 1 to index 3, the sum is 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is equals to 12. Similarly, if you just take 3 to 6, so 3, 4, 5, 6, so 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7, that is equals to 18. And you just need to print like this way. So the first approach is that you just iterate from like in the given query, you just iterate from that index to that index, start to last, and add the sum. But that would account to a time complexity of for q queries you can iterate up to maximum n size array. So that is q times n, which would obviously fail the constraints given above. So to optimize this, you can take the help of prefix array concept. So what does that say? So imagine that you are given this array. So this is an array, and imagine that I need you need to print this summation from here to here. So what can you do? So if I just take the prefix sum, so let's say the sum here was the initially numbers here was a b c d e and f. Okay. So what if I take a prefix sum? So new array would look like this. Like it first would be a, then it would be a plus b, right? Then third would be a plus b plus c, correct? The fourth would be a plus b plus c plus d, correct? And similarly others. So now if I tell you to what if I tell that you uh, take the calculate the prefix sum till here and subtract the prefix sum till here. So you if you take the prefix sum till here to here from the starting to end, and like let me denote it by lnr. So if you take the prefix sum of r, okay, and you subtract the prefix sum of l minus 1th index, right? So uh, if you would get our required answer, correct? Let me make this more clear. So if this is the prefix sum, right, if this is the prefix sum, like you can imagine that this is an array, okay, and this is the prefix sum you calculated for r. Okay, so this is prefix sum of r. Now if I tell you to if I tell that this is the lth value, right, so you need to print get the sum of here to here. So if you subtract the l minus 1th part from the rth part, so this goes to 0. So you just have the array elements from l to r, so you get the required answer. So I hope this was just easy concept. Let me implement you. So uh, let me erase this part. Okay, so in this I took the vector and the queries, and if I perform queries, I need to take two values lnr. Okay, so before that I just need to take a prefix sum array, prefix sum n plus 1 size. So what would it be? So prefix sum at I, right? Prefix sum at I, that would be equals to what? Prefix sum at I minus 1 plus v of I, correct? And you just take the inputs and you just do prefix sum at r minus prefix sum at l minus 1. Also take care of this constraint that l minus 1 can go to up to 0. So that's why I took a one base indexing. I hope you got this. And let me just verify here. 12, 18, 28, and yep. So let me just submit it. I think the code force that compiler is working slow right now, so but it will indeed pass. So we will just wait for 2, 3 test cases, and okay, it has passed. Thank you. I hope you got the solution. Okay.